This Gucci scarf was brought to me by a basketball guy. He said he picked it up when playing basketball in a high-end community. He saw that it was a designer brand and kept it. He happened to see a video of me transforming the bag. His girlfriend was going to join a big company recently, so he wanted me to use the silk scarf to make a handmade bag for her girlfriend as an entry gift. I put the cut fabric into the ironing machine and heat pressed it to shape and dug out the treasured French imported calfskin from the warehouse to make the shoulder straps and edge accessories. This version is easy to take care of, and the texture is also more high-end. If you also like my craftsmanship, use your lucky little finger to support the craftsman. After a long sewing and splicing process, the bag is ready, and the scarf is transformed into a fashionable bag. What do you think? Tell me in the comment area.